For the first step, we're going to use oil pastels. They should be sorted by color, so try to keep them that way. You can use any color, but it will be kind of the color of the bird. In half, so just a line somewhere in the middle. On only one side, keep one side blank, the other side you're going to do some lines to create some texture. So maybe I do some straight lines. I could do some bumpy lines. So I'm creating texture using lines. All right, we're gonna paint using liquid watercolors. So these colors mix really easily. So your brush needs to be really clean or they will change the entire bed. You can just hold your brush or like one stir, but you really don't need to stir, stir, stir. And you're gonna paint your entire paper, starting on the side that you did the oil pastels on. Okay, now on this side, we are still gonna paint it, but we're gonna try a different effect to get some simulated texture. So as you're painting, you don't want it to dry too much. You're gonna have a little bit of salt at your table. You're gonna just sprinkle a little bit. You don't want a lot, because what's happening is the watercolors are attracted to the salt. If you have a big pile of salt on there, you're not gonna be able to see the watercolors really gravitating to those individual specks. But when it's just barely sprinkled, you really see the little individual spots, which we are starting to see up here in the blue section now. It works best when the paint is pretty wet, and so that's why I'm kind of only doing a little section at a time, sprinkling a little bit of salt, and then moving on to the next section. We will set this to dry and we'll turn it into a bird next time.